What's up, everybody? This is like the Tech Preacher. So I'm out here at the park and I'm going to do some tests here. I got the LG Wing here, and one of the unique features I have in this device is it has a gimbal mode. The gimbal mode on this device is fantastic. It's supposed to take and stabilize your footage really good with this device. But you know what? Let's go and put it to the test. I got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This device has optical image stabilization. So in this test, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test optical image stabilization compared to the gimbal mode on the LG Wing. This is going to be interesting because I want to know how smooth this footage is between the gimbal mode on the LG Wing versus optical image stabilization on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I'm out here at the park. Let's put it to the test. Sit back and relax. Get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So before I get started with this test, I want to give some disclaimers out there. The LG Wing gimbal mode can shoot only at 1080p. And so that's what I'm going to do in this video. 1080p 30 frames per second on both devices. Also, I'm going to handhold the LG Wing and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I am going to put it on this little thing here so I can kind of hold both of them together so y'all guys can see the footage side by side. So let's go on and commence the test. One of the things that I do like about the LG Wing is that the gimbal mode on here is fantastic. It has all kinds of different modes, but I'm trying to keep it as fair and square. Only thing I want to do in this video is I want to see how smooth the footage is, and also look at the quality of the footage as I do this test here. So sit back and let's go on and commence the test. So I got both devices in my hand. I'm going to hit the record button, and the first test I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk and to see how smooth the footage is on both devices. And again, I got it in my hand, so let's see if I can position it in my hand really good so it won't be no excuses here. And all right, so here it is, the LG Wing and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Here we go. Got it in my hand, just swinging it by. Whew, you can adjust for yourself on how smooth this footage is. Okay, so we saw the first, this kind of smooth panning, but I'm gonna run and I'm gonna have some fun with this, and I'm going to kind of jerk the devices a little bit as I run to see how good the optical image stabilization is compared to the gimbal mode. So let's go on to do this. Get back. I need to get my exercise in anyway because it's cold out here and I need to warm up. I got 2 jackets on. All right, so I'm gonna hit record on both devices. Okay, and I'm gonna position them and go from there. Let's see. All right, so let's go. See which one go jerk out on you. Turn around here, and I'm gonna run back. Okay, all right. Pan around. So hopefully y'all saw the jerkiness on both devices and the smoothness on both devices, and go from there. Okay, so the test you just saw here is I was walking on smooth pavement when I walked and I ran. Now I'm on the rough part of the the park here, which has some humps and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use gimbal mode as I walk, and it got some potholes, it's uneven surface here, and obviously the devices will be jumping up and down. So I wanna show you guys that footage to see how good optical image stabilization is compared to gimbal mode. So let's go on and do that right here. And I got a lot of humps and stuff like that. Now it's a little wet out here because it must have rained last night, but I'm gonna record with both devices. Again, handheld, no gimbals. So let's do this here, and here we go. So looking at the viewfinder, I can tell you right now, as I'm walking up and down the park here, I can tell you that it is great. On the LG Wing, you could see the stabilization. You could see how smooth it is on the LG Wing versus the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And I mean, it's pretty rough out here. And I want y'all guys to see that as I'm panning and walking. Just kind of doing some normal walking here, as y'all guys can see. This is great. First time doing something like this, but I was really wanting to test this out to see how good the gimbal mode is on both of these devices. So again, one of the things that I really do like about the LG Wing, that it is bringing something to the table. It's bringing in some unique features, and I really do like the gimbal functionality of this device. As you saw in this video, optical image stabilization versus the gimbal mode. Look, even when you're looking at the video quality of the LG Wing, it's really good. It's not bad quality at all. And I've made a lot of videos about the LG Wing, and I think it's a fantastic device. But gimbal mode brings it to the next level. I really do like gimbal mode here on this device. Wow. I got further testing to do with the LG Wing, but I wanted to put it against one of the best devices of 2020, which is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, to test it, image stabilization versus gimbal mode, and let you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Wing versus the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And it's cold out here, so it's time for me to go. See you guys on the next video. Peace.